This is line up Portugal when meet Iceland Republic in FIFA World Cup qualified to 2022. Match 3 from goalkeeper we have Diego Costa. He played for Porto. And we start 11 player for Portugal for position is goalkeeper. And we have coach Roberto Martinez, the Spanish coach. And now we go to another player, Antonio Silva. He will play center back for Portugal. And we have Ruben Dias. He from Manchester City club. We start 11 player and his position is center back. And now we go to right back. We have Diego Dalot. We start 11 player. He from Manchester United in English Premier League. And next one, last back we have Nuno Mendes from Paris Saint-Germain club in Ligue 1. We start 11 player for Portugal and his position is left back. And Portugal you form 4-2-3-1. And CMF we have Vitinha from Paris Saint-Germain, the same like Nuno Mendes. We start 11 player and position is CMF. And next one is Paris Saint-Germain player also, the same like Vitinha and Nuno Mendes. João Neves will play 11 player for Portugal and his position is CMF. And now we go to another 3 player more from Bernardo Silva. He played for Manchester City in English Premier League, the same like Ruben Dias. And now his position is RWF. Now we go to another player from AMF, Bruno Fernandes. We start 11 player and he is from Manchester United like Diego Dalot. And now we go to another player, Pedro Neto will play position RWF for Portugal. He from Chelsea club. His start position is RWF. And last one is Ronaldo. He from Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. His position is CF. The best player for Portugal. Now we go to line up for Iceland from goalkeeper. We have Kelleher. We start 11 player for Iceland and coach we have Harrison and Dara Osni will play center back for Iceland, and Iceland you form 3-4-2-1. And now we go to another player, center back we have Jack O'Brien. We start 11 player for Iceland when meet Portugal at away. And this is match 3 for Iceland also. And now we go to another player is center back also, Nathan Collins. We start 11 player for Iceland. And now we go to another 4 CMF for Iceland. We have Obene. We play CMF for Iceland when meet Portugal and his position is CMF. Now we go to another CMF. We have Josh Collins. We will play 11 player for Iceland and his position is CMF like Obene. And now we go to another player and CMF. We have Jason. We start CMF for Iceland, the same like Josh Collins and Obene. Now we go to another player is Small Bonnet. We play 11 player for Iceland and his position is CMF. Now we go to last 3 player more. We have AMF. We have Finn Arthur. We will play AMF for Iceland. Finn we start 11 player for Iceland when we Portugal this week. And now we go to another player, Jack Tyler. We start 11 player for Iceland, the same like Finn, and his position is AMF like Finn also. The last one, the best CF for Iceland right now, Ferguson. We start 11 player for Iceland, for position is CF.